Bargain Portable Power Station Review. If you ever want to purchase this product, that is a portable power station, then you should watch this review till the end, and I will show you that is it legit or is it a fake or not worth it. So this is the official website, and the review is official website based, so you simply have to read it and you can simply understand whatever I'm saying trying to say in this video. Firstly, you can see all of the features that is available in this power station. You should simply click on any one of the product, like this is most reliable and the best portable power station for home use. You can see Goal Yeti 70 product. Now you can see all the specific details here. Stated watt hours provided 70% of stated watt hour potential and provided 83% of stated watt hour potential at a consistent 380 watt draw. The recharge time is 1 hour and 58 minutes. Maximum wattage is 600 watts and AC port inverter power use put is 9 watts. You can see the IP rating, that is IPX4, and the other key features are other available sizes, the weight and the battery chemistry, that is LiFePO4. Manufacturer claim life cycles to 80% capacity with 4000, and the warranty is about 4 or 5 years. Now the main thing is the pros of this and cons of this. The most efficient unit tested for the grow light test accurate control panel readings. One of the few power station to display the low loss of power through the AC ports. The cons are somewhat less intuitive to use than other power station I looked at. The model I tested is not available in the larger sizes. So firstly, you just need to think on yourself that what kind of model you need and which type of capacity of the power station you need, and simply go through this. This website can be trusted. Thank you so much for watching it.